What's
Now,
up?
as you can hear in the
Jacob,
background,
your boy,
it is
Chippy.
I am
and
doing
here,
some random video again, and I will let you listen to the video. Enjoy.
It's pretty good.
Jacob,
I'm pretty good.
the Chippy.
Awesome. It has a little brush in there, and I use it. I have one in the car, and this one's at home. And it says it's waterless, but you can use water with it to make it work better. Like this lube makes everything better. Anyway, 100% biodegradable. It has like a person on there eating a cheeseburger, which is pretty cool because I'm hungry. Now I want a cheeseburger. Anyway, let's see how it does. I mean, I've already showed you, but heck, I want another admission thingy into that bike. So. Clean.